In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Canva design directly to Facebook. First, open Canva in your web browser, make sure you're signed in and have a stable internet connection so the upload goes smoothly. Having your browser updated helps avoid any unexpected glitches during posting. Next, open the design you want to share. Take a quick moment to review it at 100% zoom, check spelling, and make sure nothing important is too close to the edges. If your design includes multiple pages, verify you're looking at the page you intend to share so you don't post the wrong one. Now head to the top right corner and click the Share button. In the panel that opens, choose Social and then select Facebook. This tells Canva you're posting straight to Facebook rather than downloading the file first. It's a convenient shortcut, especially when you're managing content for a brand or just want to share quickly. You'll see options to post to your Facebook page or to your personal timeline. Choose the destination that fits your goal. If you manage more than one page, double check you've selected the correct one to keep everything organized. Canva uses your connected Facebook account to handle this, so the choice you make here determines exactly where the post will appear. Before publishing, add a caption or description if you need one. Keep it clear and helpful, and consider a short call to action like "learn more" or "tell me what you think." If it suits your audience, you can include relevant hashtags or a link. Keep captions concise so the design remains the star of the post. When you're ready, click Post or Share depending on the button label you see. Take a brief look at the final summary to confirm the right design, destination, and caption. After you confirm, Canva will start uploading. You may see a progress indicator, just give it a moment. Once Canva confirms the post is live, open Facebook to spot check it on your timeline or page. You should see your design with the caption you added, and it's a good idea to verify it displays correctly on both desktop and mobile views. And that's it. That's how you upload your Canva design to Facebook in 2025. Thanks for watching.